Hi, beautiful people. It's Lolita here again, gracing your screens. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, do subscribe to keep enjoying great content. In this vlog, I will be taking you guys along with me to a popular Lagos market, the Yaba Show market, where I will be making knotless braids. Yes, it's trending, Baby girl has to jump on the trend. It's about time baby girl changes her look. Let's go, people. The hair started all well. I just couldn't keep my fingers away from touching. I had a picture I sent to the stylist beforehand and I asked for a recreation. You know, let me know what you guys think. Guys, I saw a short train, just like the size of a bus. Though it passed about 3 times, but I happened to capture just the first one. And at this stage, I was beginning to feel so good about the hair. So good.
Auntie, what do your hair?
You guys hear that? That is the hair making hustle in Yaba market. Like if you have been to Yaba market, you are going to hear the sister, the auntie all over and all over again. From the hair people to the clothes sellers to different people, just beckoning on you, calling you different kind of names, beauty, sweethearts, and so on and so forth. If you've had that experience, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you've not, I think the Yaba experience is something you would definitely want to enjoy. At this point, I needed things to go faster, so the hands on my head had to increase, like the number of hands on my head rather had to increase. And then I had spent about 3 hours or 4 hours there, about 4 hours, and then, fam, it wasn't moving as fast as I wanted. The CPT is pain, but come on. I was already tired of sitting down. It was taking longer than I expected. I had too many things to do. But fam, you get had to endure. But they had to increase their pace. And here I was done, not dusted though, but they had finished making a hair and it was really nice. It felt really good, very light. Man, fam, knotless braids is the way now for braids. So if it's not knotless, it can't be braids. And yep, this is the final look of the hair. Knotless braids gang. Welcome your new family member. Well, guys, this is beautiful. And I put some calories at the end. Let me show you. Yeah, I got some calories at the end. I got about 5 at different spots. Man, this should be your go-to anytime for braids. Like, I feel it's just wonderful. It's so light. This is what braids should be about. I'm going to rock it and enjoy it. Yep. So, well, I'm sure you guys enjoyed the vlog. And for anyone that has not been to the Yaba Show market in Lagos and you live in Lagos, you really need to go there. You need to have the experience. Though we have ladies that have complained over time, including me, I don't like it, about the verbal assault, the name calling, and all that. You heard it in the video. Anyway, that one was even very light. They will call you till they cannot call you anymore, till you're out of sight. But I feel it's hustle. Most of them just need to get self-control. They need to understand that they can get their customers without reaching out, touching and all that. Well, it was one of these days I had this very mad experience. One of them actually touched me. I was really pissed that day. I was just passing by and I told him something. I spoke it in Igbo language and I told him that one of these days these guys, people will touch somebody that is not a human being. As in, I'm just saying, people just touch something you don't want, someone that is carrying something on the person's body and it will affect you or something like that. Can you not just, for your own safety, not touch people that are passing? Just beckon on them to come and patronize you, but you don't need to touch and all that. Well, So I think it happens in other markets, but in Lagos, the story of the Yaba Tejoshi market, that's the first thing you will hear, especially for we ladies. That's the first thing you will hear. But it was really nice experience. There's this uh train track there, and I hear that the train that passes there, which is as far as Ibadan, Badagry, I don't know where those places are, but I had to, and it was really a nice experience. I enjoyed myself, having these braids done in the local market. So that's it. I'm back home now, flaunting and rocking my braids. Yeah, and doing some work before I go to bed. It's quite late. Let me show you what I've got to do before I go to bed. Yep, my workstation so far. I just need to, publish some stories here and then move on to YouTube and see what YouTube has for me. Roam the streets of YouTube as usual and call it a night, basically. It's really not much to do. Yeah, so this vlog is long overdue. Really sorry guys, like a whole lot has happened. School has resumed. Online school has resumed. So the student in me has to come out. It already come out anyway, but we're getting there. I'm trying to manage my schedule and all that good stuff. But another vlog will come in right up after this. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Do I need to call you personally? If you need me to call you personally, let me know in the comment section below. But a lot of great content coming up. You don't want to miss any of it. Like in the comment section below, tell me your experience in any local market. If you're a lady, if you're a guy, you've accompanied your babe, your sister, your wife, so make a head in the local market. And your lady, you've made a head in the local market, just let me know your experience. Share with me. Let's rub minds. And then for my OGs that have been to the Yaba Tejo market, let me know what's up. Your experience. Share with me. Let's rub minds together. And if you're in the Knotless Braids gang, your new family member is saying it go be, let's rock it. So until I see you guys in the next one, I remain Lolita, your baby girl. Subscribe, like, share the fun, share the smiles with people. I'll see you guys in the next one.